Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Claude Code with Kubernetes. First, open your environment by installing the basics. Make sure Docker, Kubernetes, or Minikubectl and Node.js are installed. Then verify your installations in PowerShell by typing kubectl version -- client, Docker -- version, and node-v. Next, install Claude Code globally by running npm install-g @untroffic-ai/cloud-code in PowerShell. Now, set your API key by running setx_untroffic_API_key. Then enter your API key here, and after that, restart PowerShell so the changes apply properly. Inside your project folder, ask Claude to generate a Kubernetes app by typing Claude. Create a Node.js app with Docker file and Kubernetes deployment plus service WAML. Claude will generate the app code with an Express API, a Docker file, a deployment.yaml, and a service.yaml. Then build and run your Docker container by typing docker-t my-app.docker run-p 3000 by 3000 my-app in PowerShell. Test your app locally in the browser to make sure it works. Next, deploy your app to Kubernetes by applying the configuration files. Type kubectl apply-f deployment.yaml and kubectl apply-f service.yaml. Check the status with kubectl get pods and kubectl get services. Now your app is running in Kubernetes. Finally, use Claude for DevOps automation. You can fix issues by typing Claude debug why my Kubernetes pod is crashing. You can scale the app by typing Claude update deployment.yaml to scale to 5 replicas. For CI or CD, type Claude create GitHub action CI/CD pipeline for Kubernetes deployment. Claude becomes your DevOps engineer assistant, helping you automate and manage your application efficiently. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.